We interact with our whales every day, which allows us to share trusted relationships in order to provide quality healthcare, research, and quality of life. The whales here at SeaWorld San Diego take part in their own health and well-being. So if you look right up there at the stage, Vicky has asked Shuka into a rollover behavior. Now this is arguably one of the most important behaviors that we can ask our whales to do. This is called husbandry training. And this is going to allow our veterinarians and actually to come out and take a blood sample right from their tail flukes. We'll take that sample back to the lab and make sure that everything is healthy with all of our killer whales. We can also ask them up onto a big giant scale. We do this at least once a week to make sure that all the whales are getting the proper nutrition and that the calves are growing properly. And we can also get a breath sample right from their blowhole. Now none of these behaviors would be possible if it weren't for the trusted relationships that we share with the animals every single day.